These are some brinjal seeds that I have collected from a brinjal at home. When I found them quite mature, see the color. It's golden brown in color, so it's quite mature to germinate.
Spread the seeds on a seedling pot. As the seeds are wet, they are sticking together. Spread them with the help of a small twig or toothpick. Now the seeds are almost evenly spread. Now sprinkle some soil over the seeds. It should be a very thin layer.
When done, water it very gently and keep it in a place where no direct rainwater will fall over it. These are some tomato seedlings. I have grown them this way. These seedlings are almost 1 month old. Now they are ready to transplant to a bigger pot. I will keep you posted when the brinjal seeds will germinate and ready to transplant. Thank you for watching.